Hi, Samuel Leeds here, and on this video I wanted to really explain to you why I believe that Christmas, like this season that we're in right now, is the #1 best time to invest in property. The reason that is because people who are selling their house right now, properties that are on Rightmove and they've maybe been on Rightmove a few weeks or a few months and they're wanting to sell, right now they're probably feeling really frustrated because the house came on the market on October, November. It's now almost Christmas and they're thinking, oh, I do not want this to drag on to the new year. So at this point in time, just before Christmas, when everything's about to close down, it's going to be weeks more of just having to pay the council tax on an empty house, or weeks more of them having to live somewhere where they really don't want to live because they're really keen to move on. They're frustrated, they're motivated. When the sellers are motivated, that's the best time to buy. So for that reason, it's a really good time. But secondly, and this just blows my mind, other investors right now are all beginning to wind down for Christmas. So while the harvest is ripe, because there's so many people really desperate to sell at this time of year, the buyers are nowhere to be seen, because the buyers and the investors are thinking, I'm gonna really get started in the new year. In the new year, everyone's doing the same thing, everyone thinks the same thing. So in January, that's when you're going to start getting gazumped and lots of people. January's okay, but December's better. Not only are there a lot of motivated sellers out there, but your competitors, all your other investors, where are they? They're nowhere to be seen. They're skiing, or they're just winding down for Christmas. So if you were planning on winding down for Christmas, if you were thinking, okay, I'm gonna wind down for Christmas and then January, I'm really gonna go for it, I would challenge you to change your perspective, and I will give you a challenge, and that is to try and get one deal in the bag before Christmas. Even if it gets to the 22nd, try and get one deal in the bag. Go on Gumtree, go on Spare and go on Open Rent, ring agents from Rightmove, and just try and bag one deal before Christmas. I wish you all the best of luck. Let me know how you get on. Comment below your action points, the things that you're planning on doing, the activity you're going to take. Comment below, and that way myself and everyone else will be able to hold you to account.